All right, question number 9. Which region has the highest fertility rate and the lowest life expectancy? And that is sub-Saharan Africa. So the fertility rate is the number of births for every 1,000 women. And then the infant mortality rate is the number of deaths under 1 year of age among live births per 1,000 live births in the same year. So essentially, what that means, that's a tough one. It's basically how many babies die, and then those babies, the babies that are under the age of 1, it's how many that pass away. And then life expectancy is the average period that a person is expected to live. So in sub-Saharan Africa, this is probably one of the poorest regions in the world. The total fertility rate is 5.2 children per woman. So on average, a woman has about 5 to 6 children. And then because they have such a high infant mortality rate, there is 1 in 12 babies don't survive living in this area. And then a lot of it is because of their poor access to healthcare is really limited. And so the life expectancy, the longest most people live on average is 56 years. So me being 34, I am pretty over the hill for this area. So it's really one of the big reasons for this is the disease that spreads down there, and the biggest disease usually is HIV and AIDS. This is a disease that gets passed down from mother to child, and so the woman will have babies. The disease will then be passed on to the babies, and like I said, 1 in 12 don't survive. So women often will have more children. And then sometimes the mother will die by the age of 56 and she has 5 kids that are left. And so that's really difficult. This is not a fun statistic to learn about. But we're seeing some changes in the access to medical care because of things with like Doctors Without Borders and cheaper HIV medications. And so that's really important, and that's a great, hopefully that statistic will be changing with some of those new implementations. So that is question number 9.